Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Wednesday, January 22nd. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the chart of the Euro Dollar here, 60 minutes chart. So the pair has just recently turned lower from this blue box area based on the ABC 3 waves rally, fail and then turns lower, and that is telling you that so far the rally has been corrective, and it favors for the downside as a result. Now we got the right side down in the shorter cycle, and depending on if we can go to a full 100% extension, you can measure it from here, this X in red. So if you measure a full 100% extension, right, this can go to 110.50, which is not really that much farther down the road. Is only like 30 pips lower, but that is sort of the next target that we're looking at before the euro dollars finish the cycle, and then maybe see buyers for at least £3. Okay, so here we got an A here, right? It's a 5 ways down, and this C leg here could be unfolding in another 5 waves. So this could be a 1 2 3 4 5 going into around 1050, and 1020 area here, and then from here we might potentially find support for £3 at least. All right, and the cycle could be finished or over here. Now so in the shorter cycle, then, as far as the bounce stays below this 111.70, okay, we could see the euro continues to extend to the downside. Now looking at the larger degree though, it's time to be a little bit careful with the euro dollars. Now if I take a look at the 4-hour chart, and I'm just using a simple trend line here, you can see, let me first zoom in and look at this rally that starts from October the 1st, right? So if you look at the rally from October the 1st, we are now in this rising trend line. Is about to reach that level. That level is around 110.70. So again, if we can go to around 110.50, which is the 100% here, I think that will be more or less almost like retesting the same trend line again. This trend line, the rising trend line. Now not only that, we also got what looks to me like a broken trend line. If you look at it from here, which is a long-term trend line from September 2018, right? This is from September 24, 2018. You can see clearly we have a descending trend line, and then we have broken above it, right? So now it's kind of like every time we retested that trend line, we got support, bouncing again. Now it's almost like the third time trying to do it again. So there is again, like I said, a possibility that that this break is real, and then maybe the euro can continue to start bouncing again soon. But shorter cycle still cannot rule out the possibility of a little bit more downside in the very short term here, okay, because the sequence does look like it allows a little bit more downside. But if you look at it a little bit larger degree, then you will know that it is possible that once we finish the cycle here, we may potentially find buyers, and then do some sort of £3. All right, so that's the update on the euro dollars from the chart of the day today. Please do like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and as always, we have 14 days free trial. I will provide the link to the trial in the description of the video. Also, we got currently a 50% promotion for the platinum, so I will provide all the links over there. See you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.